Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Scottish Mortgage Investment Trust Review My Usage Experience. Scottish Mortgage Investment Trust Review My Usage Experience offers insights and analysis of the Scottish Mortgage Investment Trust, a global investment trust. It's aimed at individual investors interested in understanding the trust's performance, holdings, and investment strategy. Key features likely include portfolio analysis, historical performance data, and potentially news and commentary related to the trust. Their website provides details on accessing their reports and analysis. The service positions itself as a resource for informed decision-making, offering clear and accessible information about the trust's activities. Pricing isn't explicitly stated on the site, but the focus seems to be on providing valuable analysis, potentially through subscription-based access. There's no mention of contracts, and the ease of access appears straightforward based on my experience, detailed below. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Scottish Mortgage Investment Trust Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. I simply signed up on their website, verified my email, and I was in. The interface is clean and intuitive. Navigating the different sections, portfolio breakdown, historical performance charts, and news articles, was straightforward. I particularly appreciated the detailed breakdown of the trust's top holdings, presented clearly in both tabular and graphical formats. The performance data was comprehensive, allowing me to easily analyze trends over different time periods. The quality of the analysis was excellent, providing insightful commentary on market trends and their impact on the trust. I found their explanations of complex financial concepts to be very accessible. I had a quick question about a specific holding, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email. One minor drawback was the lack of mobile app access. Everything is web-based. The standout feature for me was definitely the in-depth analysis combined with the easy-to-understand presentation. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Scottish Mortgage Investment Trust Review My Usage Experience. It provided exactly the information I needed to make informed decisions about my investment. That's my overview of Scottish Mortgage Investment Trust Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.